So guys, we got probably over 2 feet of snow, and my friend's stranded here. Everybody's stranded, and everybody's stuck with their vehicle right now. I don't know if you can clearly see out in the street, but we're not, you can hear the wind out there. We're not going anywhere. It's a freaking blizzard out there, so it won't be any farm videos for quite a while. This is a short video. I mean, I just removed snow today. There's over probably 2 feet right there. I mean, we got one hell of a major blizzard. And I tell you, I'm not going anywhere, so hopefully everybody else has not got what we got, and just, yeah, stay warm because it's cold and freaking windy out here.